How to log into Paycor account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here you're gonna find the search box, type in Paycor login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, paycor.com. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, go ahead and type in the username. Then go ahead and type in the password. If you have forgotten the username or password, you can click on these options to recover it. Also, you can use SSO to sign in. You can use this option to sign in only in the case you have created the account using this option. After you provide your details, click on sign in and just with that you will be logged into your Paycor account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of register here and go through the process. Well, this way you can easily log into Paycor account. This was really simple and quick process. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.